Oh, this is gonna look so cool.
This is the one day a year where you can call me a clown and I won't cut you. Hi guys, I'm Kayla, fashion and beauty producer at Revelous, and today I'm gonna show you, wait, I'm not gonna show you. I'm not responsible for this clown look. Oh my God, we have a special guest here. Say hello to Stephanie, everybody.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Stephanie is on Kat Von D's global beauty team. She is a professional makeup artist, darling, because of course I couldn't be responsible for something so nice and well put together. Aww. Stephanie is going to show you how she turned me into the 3 C's.
Cute, creepy, clown.
I'm Kayla, I'm a cute, creepy clown. You ready to show them?
Heck yeah, let's do it.
Let's get started.
So we're gonna start with some shadow just to start kind of like mapping out what exactly we're gonna do.
Okay. So what's been the most rewarding thing about working with Kat Von D Beauty?
I got this job because Kat literally slid into my DMs. But then one day I just started posting a lot of looks with Kat stuff because it's awesome.
Yeah.
And one day I just got this DM and it was from her. And I opened it and she was just like, hey man, I can't even believe that these are my products you're using. I would have never thought to use them like this. If you're ever in LA, I would love for you to come over to my house and we should film a tutorial together. Got there and she opened her front door and we ended up hanging out for 6 days straight. And then we ended up having sleepovers, we did face masks.
Wow.
Like, she's like truly my fairy godmother of makeup. For starters, I'm actually just gonna be going in with Suspicion. This is our pencil.
You can only live with one makeup product for the rest of your life. What would it be and why?
Maybe just do mascara. I could take an angled brush and make it an eyeliner. I could put it in my brows and I could do mascara. So now I'm just starting to map out this cute little clown nose we're about to give you. And I'm just using tattoo liner for all of this. I like it because it's just this tiny little point. So it's almost like drawing with Sharpie. We're gonna add some fun lip color to this. Oh, this is gonna look so cool. Buckle your seatbelts. Here's the final reveal. Triple C's have been achieved.
Girl, you outdid yourself.
But it's also all waterproof. So once you do your Halloween makeup, you're not gonna have to chase it all night. You can just focus on having a badass time.
Nice. So I think it's safe to say we checked off the 3 C's.
We sure did. Creepy, cute, clown.
Thank you so much, Stephanie.
Thank you so
Tell
much.
them where they can find you on social.
Perfect, yeah. So my Instagram is @Strazzeri, and if you have any questions or have any other tutorials you might be interested in, you can find me on the Kat Von D Beauty YouTube, where we have a slew of videos and anything else that you might love.
All right.
Awesome.
Well, we'll have Stephanie back soon for some more fun stuff.
I sure hope so.
All right, see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Happy Halloween.